Okay, let's try to do question 7. So let's read the question. Okay. So a slit has a width of 2.3 darab 10 kuasa negatif 6. Okay. So I'm going to write down that A1 equals to 2.3 darab 10 kuasa negatif 6 meter. Okay. So when line with a wavelength of lambda 1, okay, passes through this slit, okay. So kalau kamu tengok kat sini kan, we have a width slit. So kita ada slit width kan. So now we are talking about the diffraction by single slit lah. Okay. Right. So when a wavelength of lambda 1, 510 nanometer passes through the slit, the width of the central bright fringes on a flat observation screen has a certain value. Jadi apa statement ni cakap? Okay, so dia ada slit width sebanyak this value. Okay. Lepas tu dia gunalah cahaya di mana lambda dia adalah 510 darab 10 kuasa negatif 9. Okay. And then kita tahu dekat single slit kan, if you remember, the result akan jadi center bright sangat besar kan. Kan? Center bright besar. Lepas tu dia punya size of fringes tu makin berkurang lepas tu kan. Okay. Okay, so in this subtopic, you are also required to find the width of the center bright, kan? Width of center bright. So W, isn't it? So remember the formula, width equals to 2 lambda D over A, okay? And then dia cakap, when wavelength of ni passes through this slit, the width of the center bright fringe on the flat observation screen has a certain value. So we don't know the value lah, okay? And then with the screen kept in the same place, okay? So let's say lah this is our result. Okay, let's say this is our screen lah yang ada result kita tu kan. So D dia tak berubah, okay? This slit tu tadi, slit yang ni lah, is then replaced with a second slit, okay? So tadi slit tu diganti dengan A2, okay? And a wavelength, so dia guna cahaya lain pula, 740 is used, okay? So tadi daripada A1 guna lambda 1, lepas tu dia tukar A2 dengan lambda 2, okay? And then the width of the slit of the center bright fringe on the screen is observed to be unchanged, okay? So apa maksud observed to be unchanged? Maksudnya adalah width itu walaupun dia dah tukar dia punya size of slit, cahaya yang baru, lambda baru, but the width remain unchanged, okay? So we know that the width tadi ada certain value, we don't know the value, but we know that it's unchanged, okay? So width dia adalah samalah. Bila cakap unchanged tu sama, okay? Width 1, width 2 sama saja. We don't know the value, but we know that they are the same, okay? Okay. So find A2 lah. So we know that width 1 equals to width 2. Okay. So dia nak A2. So I know the formula is 2 lambda D over A. 2 lambda D over A. Okay. So I know that this one is A1, A2, lambda 1, lambda 2. Okay. So 2 boleh potong. Okay. And then D also can be changed lah. Sebab dia cakap statement ni kan. Statement, this one tadi, statement dia adalah with the screen kept in the same place. So D ni, walaupun dia buat cahaya baru, lambda baru, but the D remain the same. So kita boleh potong D lah. So we then insert our value. Okay, and then you then press your calculator, and I think you get your A2 to be 3.34 times 10 to the power of negative 6 meter. Okay.